customers, and welcome to the Naturalista B2B training session. The first thing we need to do to get us set up on the B2B site is actually we need to send an email to francesca@naturalista.com and request our B2B username and password. When we have this, it's very simple and we just need to open our internet browser. We recommend Firefox over other internet browsers because the application runs a lot faster on it. So we just open Firefox internet browser and we type retail.naturalista.com. We land into the login page and we introduce our username and password. We log in, and the first thing we should do is actually to select the language we want the application to display. In this case, I want it in English. The second thing we need to do is actually to select the customer. In this case, I'm going to choose this customer as an example, okay? So here, this is basically the home page for the B2B site, and we have this menu in the left where we have different sections like home, orders, documents, customers, claims, stocks, and downloads. And also here at the very top we have the most important sections, or the sections that we will use the most. I want to start with one of my favorite sections of all, which is make a reorder. What happens is that normally we will use the B2B site either to place a special order, either because a customer is in front of us and are looking for a specific shoe and we want to check if we have the stock, or we want to fill in on something we already bought. So by clicking this section, we will see our latest order. By clicking this little green icon, the application will display that order, and what happens is that most of the times we fill in shoes that we already have in the store. So here we have what this customer bought. Okay, so in this particular case, this particular style N472 Colibri in this color Rioja Plum. Here we have the sizes, here we have the selection we want to create, and here we have the availability. The availability can change from day to day, so I would recommend that you always place the order no matter if you see here more or less stock, because our stock is very dynamic. So in this case, I'm going to write an order that here says 1 in 38, 2 in 39, 2 in 40, and 1 in 41 for the total of 6. I save the selection. In this case, I don't want to fill in this style, so I can just eliminate by just clicking here. I click confirm, and so in here I don't want this either. So remove this article from your shopping cart. Yes, I confirm. On the other hand, let's say I want to add more sizes into this filling for this particular style, this ND80 in black. I just write my size run 1 1 2 2 1 1 for a total of 8. Save selection. Okay. When I'm finished, I can remove the styles that I don't want, or I can continue, and then the application at the end will ask me, do you want to eliminate the styles that you didn't size and run? And we just hit yes, and then we place the order only with the sizes that we actually wrote. In the case we want to add, let's say this particular style is running very well, is selling out excellent, and we only have this color. And perhaps we want to add another color. Here we had add other color, and here we have the color combinations. I know, for example, that the black plum is selling out very well on other locations. So perhaps I just want to add it. Would you like to add this number? This message is telling me, do you want to write the size run that you previously wrote? Normally, no. I just want to write my own sizes. So the new color combination is here, but with the blank size run. And then I decide I want 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. and I save the selection. I go to the end. Oh, first of all, I can decide what delivery date I want for each specific style. But most of the times, we want, especially when it comes to a filling order, we want all the styles to be delivered at the same time. So instead of just selecting the size, the delivery date, style by style, we can come here and say, I want to receive a single shipment with a shipping date of September 1st. Apply all for a single shipment, all days of a service will be unified. Yes, that's what I want. I want to receive everything at once, at the same time, all together. So I confirm. And then I continue with the order because I'm finished, I'm ready to go. So basically here I can select my delivery address. In this case we only have one location, so there is only one delivery address. I select the type of order. In this case it's an order. I made up my mind. I know exactly what I want. I found what I wanted. I'm happy. I want to place the order. And here I can make some comments like, please add some POP material to this order. Thanks. So here I need to confirm that this is the style that I wanted, everything is fine, blah blah blah. So I confirm, I have read and accept the purchase terms, and also here is the email address we have on file for this particular style, customer. We can add other emails address. And also we can eliminate some of the email address that we have. We just hit here, place the order. It's telling us what I told you before. You have products for which size is not specified. In other words, you have styles that you didn't write any order. So basically, the application is asking us, do you want to proceed with the order as it is? So it means that the orders with no size run will get eliminated from the order. Yes, I confirm. We get this process, and thank you. Your order is being processed. Here, this is another functionality that you can use that actually help us to make sure that we have all the stores address in perfect shape. So when we go to the where to buy in our website, we are able to provide the most accurate information. If you want to confirm, just geolocate store, and it will tell you your address. If you see that something is not correct, you can modify it, but I'm pretty sure most of the times it'll be fine. So you just go and save. So this selling point, it means this point of sale has been successfully saved and closed. So here it is, and later I'll come with some other functionalities with the B2B application from El Naturalista. Thank you very much, and don't forget that if you have any question, you can always send an email to Francesca@elnaturalista.com. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.